So here you're given a mole calculation, excess limiting, and a bit of an acid-basis oxides kind of question. Alright. Here you're told that you have a sample of 10 cm³ of carbon disulfide. It's burned in 50 cm³ of oxygen. Now, after measuring the gases remaining, alright, the product was treated with excess aqueous sodium hydroxide, and then you measure the volume of gas again. Alright, so what will be the measured volumes? Now, so first of all, you need to understand that this is an excess limiting question because you're given information of both reactants. So you need to know which is used up and which is left behind. So for gases, we know that mole ratio is equal to volume ratio. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the mole ratio, 1:3. And the volume ratio will be 10:30. What this means is that of the 50 cm³, we will have 20 cm³ oxygen left. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm also going to find the volume of the products. So the volume of, or rather the mole ratio of carbon disulfide to carbon dioxide to sulfur dioxide is 1:1:2. What this means is if you have 10 cm³ of carbon disulfide, it will be able to give you 10 cm³ of carbon dioxide and 20 cm³ of sulfur dioxide. So what this means is that here, I'm just going to point this out, the volume of gases remaining. So after measuring the volume of gases remaining, so the volume of gases that remain will be the 20 cm³, 10 cm³, 20 cm³. That is a total of 50 cm³. Okay. Now you're going to pass the gases through sodium hydroxide. Now sodium hydroxide is an alkali, and it will react with acidic oxides. Now recall your non-metal oxides are acidic. So carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, they are both acidic oxides. I'm just going to change to blue. All right. Okay. So what this means is that after you pass the mixture, 50 cm³ through, you're actually only going to be left with 20 cm³. The oxygen, the carbon dioxide and the sulfur dioxide will both react with sodium hydroxide, and therefore what is left is your oxygen. So you have 20 cm³ before your reactants, right? So that's reactant, and then you have 20 cm³ of gas left after, and therefore the answer is B.